A lot of callers saying, though, that they would be scared to do any first aid because
Doctors do medicine. You can do first aid. You don't need to be a doctor to do first aid. Because first aid is what you do first, before any medical help is available. You don't have to fix things. Doctors fix things. Doctors diagnose problems and fix them. First aid, we're not trying to fix the problem. We're trying to stop it getting any worse, particularly if it's a major problem like a cardiac arrest or a major bleed or something like that. We're not fixing it. We're trying to stop it getting any worse so the doctor can fix it. So that is why it's called first aid. We do it first. It's not complicated. Basically, all we're trying to do is keep the patient breathing, stop any bleeding, and don't let anything else move so it doesn't lead to one of those two. So if you cannot think of what to do in an emergency situation in order to keep somebody alive, that's where you start. Keep them breathing, stop the bleeding, and stabilize everything else. If somebody is not breathing, they're getting CPR. Nothing else is important. They need CPR. If somebody is breathing but they're bleeding a lot, we need to plug up all the holes and stop the blood coming out. Stop the bleed. Then after that, we can don't let anything else move. The only time that those two things reverse is if somebody is bleeding so much that that has caused them to go into cardiac arrest. It's called a life-threatening hemorrhage. Somebody is bleeding profusely and you start doing CPR on them, and every time you push, some bloods come squirting out. Stop pushing. Plug up all the holes and then get back to the pushing again. But in most cases, that is not the problem. Somebody is not breathing, they need CPR. Somebody who's bleeding, we need to plug up all the holes and stop the blood coming out, and then just don't let anything else move so it doesn't get any worse. So you don't need to be a doctor. Doctors do first aid as well, but you don't need to be. We're just trying to stop things getting worse so that the doctor can fix the problem. Do not be afraid of first aid, Mel. Anybody can do it. It's not that scary.
somehow I had a feeling you were going to make that sound easy. Well, thank you, Tony. I think we can all be a little more confident now. First aid is nothing to be afraid of, and it can certainly help a loved one, and maybe even save a life. I hope you can come back again and do a Q&A for us.